Hello and welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a lemon cucumber couscous salad. Yes, actually I'm cooking somewhat healthy. So to start, we're going to need the zest of 1 lemon. And then the juice of said lemon. Just kind of use your hands to, stop the seeds from falling in. If they do, just pick them out. But the juice of that same lemon. And by the way, this is about the time you'll find out you might have accidentally nicked yourself with the zester. And then to that, you want to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And by the way, this dish is really, really quick. This is about the most labor-intensive part of this. So it's great if you're in a hurry. And then some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Also, you want to add about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, and then just grab a whisk and whisk this up, and then set aside. By the way, you should have a pot of about 1 3/4 cup water going on the stove right now. Okay, next thing you're going to want to do is peel a seedless cucumber. Chop the ends off of it. We won't need them. And then slice it down lengthwise, like I'm doing here. Then you want to slice the 2 halves down the middle once again. And then chop them up into bite-sized pieces, about yay big. That's up to you. Okay, as you can see, got our water boiling here. And then you want to add about 1.5 cups of couscous. And you want to kill the heat. Get it off the heat. Then you want to give it just a little bit of a stir. Cover and let it sit for about 5 minutes or so. Okie dokie. Couscous is done. Just going to give it a bit of a chop. And then a little bit of salt. Maybe a little more salt. And of course, freshly ground black pepper. And then you want to add that dressing that we made. And give that a good stir. And once the dressing's been incorporated throughout the entire dish, time to add the cucumber back in. And just kind of want to work that in. And then you want to add, lastly, 4 ounces of feta cheese. And again, just give that a stir. And you're pretty much ready to serve. So lemon couscous salad, done.